Hello! Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Marjorie Santua. I'm 37 years old from Talisay, Camarines Norte, Philippines. I am single mother of 3 daughters, ages 12, 13, and 17. I am a Roman Catholic. I am high school graduate in St. Francis Parochial School. My working experience as a domestic helper for almost 11 years in the Philippines. From January 1, 2015 to February 25, 2026. I finished contract. I served 3 members in the family, the couple, and from newborn baby up to 11 years old. My main duties is to cleaning the house, marketing, cooking, washing the clothes, and ironing. But my first priority is to taking care of her child because both their parents are busy to their business. I feed her, I play her, and securing her all the time. I'm a trustworthy, flexible, fast learner, and I'm reliable person. If you choose me, I'm willing to learn everything and I'm willing to follow the rules and instruction to do my work well in your family. And I'm willing to finish your contract if you need. Hope to see you soon, ma'am. Thank you.